Hello again, and welcome back to part 2 of our English Speaking Power session. If you completed part 1, congratulations! You are already taking an important step toward becoming a confident English speaker. Remember, fluency is built through daily practice, not overnight. Today, we will continue improving your pronunciation, vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills through realistic conversations and useful expressions. Before we begin, let's warm up with some positive affirmations. Please repeat after me. I speak English with confidence. I learn something new every day. I enjoy speaking English. I am becoming more fluent. I believe in myself. Excellent! Now take a deep breath, smile, and let's start speaking. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? I am feeling great. How about you? I am doing very well, thank you. Did you sleep well last night? Yes, I slept very well. What are your plans for today? Today, I will study English, finish my work, and exercise in the evening. That sounds like a productive day. Thank you. I always try to stay organized. Wonderful. Now repeat the conversation one more time without looking at the text. Everyone has dreams and goals. Let's practice speaking about them. What is your biggest goal? My biggest goal is to speak English fluently. Why is English important to you? English helps me communicate with people from around the world. How often do you practice? I practice English every single day. How long do you study? I usually study for 1 hour. What do you do to improve? I read English books, watch English videos, listen to podcasts, and practice speaking aloud. Excellent! Speaking about your goals regularly helps you build confidence. Good afternoon. Hello? Welcome to our coffee shop. May I have a cappuccino, please? Certainly. Would you like a small or large? A large, please. Would you like anything to eat? Yes. I'll have a chicken sandwich. Anything else? No, that's all. Your total is $8. Here you are. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. You too. Now imagine you are ordering your favorite drink. Pause the lesson and practice using your own words. Excuse me? Yes, how can I help you? I'm looking for the nearest hospital. Go straight for 2 blocks. Then turn left. You'll see a traffic light. The hospital is next to the bank. How long does it take to get there? About 10 minutes on foot. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Good evening. May I see your passport? Certainly. Here it is. Where are you traveling today? I am flying to London. Do you have any luggage? Yes, I have 1 suitcase. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat? A window seat, please. Here is your boarding pass. Thank you. Have a pleasant flight. Thank you very much. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? I enjoy reading books. What kind of books do you like? I like adventure stories and biographies. How often do you read? I read every evening before going to bed. Why do you enjoy reading? Because I learn new ideas and improve my vocabulary. That's a wonderful habit. Thank you. Now replace reading books with your own hobby and practice again. How are you feeling today? I feel healthy and energetic. Do you exercise regularly? Yes. I exercise 5 days a week. What kind of exercise do you do? I enjoy walking and jogging. Do you eat healthy food? Yes. I try to eat vegetables, fruits, and lean protein. How much water do you drink? I drink at least 2 liters every day. Healthy habits help us stay active and focused. Absolutely. Where do you work? I work in a software company. What do you do there? I help customers solve technical problems. Do you enjoy your job? Yes, I enjoy learning new skills every day. What time do you start work? I start at 9 o'clock. When do you finish? I usually finish at 5 o'clock. What do you do after work? I relax, spend time with my family, and practice English. That's an excellent routine. What are you doing this weekend? I'm planning to visit my grandparents. That sounds nice. Would you like to watch a movie afterward? Yes, I'd love to. What time shall we meet? Let's meet at 6 o'clock. Where shall we meet? Let's meet in front of the cinema. Perfect. See you there. See you. Repeat these expressions loudly. How's everything? Everything is going well. No problem. Of course. That's interesting. I completely agree. I'm not sure. Could you repeat that, please? Please speak a little more slowly. I understand now. That makes sense. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Have a great day. Take care. See you soon. Excellent work. Hello? Hello? May I speak to Daniel? Speaking. Hi, Daniel. This is Alex. Hello, Alex. How are you? I'm doing well. Are you free this evening? Yes, I am. Would you like to have dinner together? That sounds great. What time? How about 7 o'clock? Perfect. See you then. Looking forward to it. Goodbye. Bye. Now listen carefully and repeat. Today I woke up early. I made my bed. I prepared breakfast. Then I checked my emails. I completed my work. In the afternoon, I studied English. I practiced speaking for 30 minutes. Later, I exercised. I cooked dinner. Finally, I watched a movie and went to bed. Now pause the lesson and describe your own day. Repeat immediately after each sentence. Learning English is exciting. I enjoy speaking every day. Confidence grows with practice. Every conversation teaches me something new. I listen carefully. I pronounce each word clearly. I don't fear mistakes. I focus on improvement. My English becomes stronger every day. I believe in my success. Fantastic! Yesterday, my friend invited me to a new restaurant. We arrived at 6 o'clock in the evening. The restaurant was clean and beautifully decorated. The waiter welcomed us with a smile and showed us our table. We ordered grilled chicken, rice, salad, and fresh juice. The food was delicious, and the service was excellent. After dinner, we walked through the city park and talked about our future goals. Now answer these questions aloud. Where did the friends go? What did they order? How was the food? What did they do after dinner? How did the speaker feel? Great! Answering questions improves both speaking and thinking in English. Before we finish today's power session, remember one important lesson. Successful English speakers are not born with perfect English. They become fluent because they practice consistently. Every sentence you speak makes you stronger. Every conversation increases your confidence. Every mistake teaches you something valuable. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start speaking today. Read aloud, listen carefully, repeat confidently, and use English whenever possible. Even 15 to 30 minutes of daily practice can completely change your speaking ability over time. Now repeat these powerful sentences one last time. I am confident. I speak English every day. I enjoy learning. I communicate clearly. My pronunciation improves daily. I am becoming fluent. I never give up. Success is waiting for me. Thank you for joining English Speaking Power Session, Part 2. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and continue your journey toward fluent English. I'll see you in Part 3. Until then, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep speaking English every single day.